Sponge cakes. A bread from Australia. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Grease the cake tins with butter. Add a tiny pinch of flour to the butter to make sure that a good crust will form on the sides and bottom of the cake. Some cooks also put a small circle of greased paper in the bottom of the tin to stop the cake sticking in the center. Whip the eggs with a rotary beater for a few minutes until they are light and frothy. Do not use your food processor, it won't give enough aeration, this is vital. Sprinkle the sugar over the mixture, about 1 tablespoon at a time. Bake it in moderately hot oven for about 25
Continue
minutes.
to beat the mixture until
The
it is
test to
very
see if
thick.
the cakes are baked is
This
when
could
they are
take up to
springy
10
to the
minutes.
tips of the fingers.
Sift
and when
the
they
flour
shrink
and
a
corn
little
flour
away from the
together on
sides of
some
the paper,
tins.
and then gradually
Remove
add
them
it to
from
the
the
oven
oven
using
or
your
let them
hand or a
stand
metal
for a
minute
traditional
before
method
tipping
is
them
stir
out.
through the hot water
Cakes
and
with
butter
butter
spread
mixture
quickly
strawberry
and pour
or
into
plum
the
jam on
prepared
the top of
tins.
one cake, placing the other on the top of it like a sandwich, and then coating the whole thing with buttercream or whipped cream. Country Reports. Country cooks in Australia have always been famous for their sponge